Hello. So in today's class, you are going to learn about grids. So first, you learn about plans. Remember that plans are drawings of a place, any place, shown from above. You will see different type of plans of different places, like the city, school maybe, or even our classroom. So remember that a plan are drawings of a place. What you are going to learn is that to this plan, we are going to add set of lines that will divide it into small squares. So to this plan, we are going to add lines that create little squares. But why? Why are we going to do that? They will help us to find the location of different objects in an easy way. It will be easy to locate different objects. That is why we use grids. It helps us to find objects easily. So let's look at this example. This will help you to understand better. Here we have a plan. It looks like a farm. We have a tractor, a bridge, a well, trees, bushes, roses, houses. Here we have the compass rose, very important when you use grids. You have north, south, west, and east. So on this plan, you will see the bridge. Here is the bridge, puente, and we're going to use this bridge as our point of reference. This will help you to locate elements easily. So now I want you to look at the red tractor here. In this case, we can say that the red tractor is located to the north and east of the bridge. Let's see if that's true. So we know that north is pointing that way, and the tractor is pointing to that way, is pointed north. And now it's telling us that the red tractor is pointed to east as well. So yes, it's pointing to east. This looks kind of simple. So let's make it more precise. If we draw a grid on the plan, remember, grid, this set of lines of little squares, this is how it's going to look like. We have the plan again, we have the bridge, and look, we have another point of reference. Now our reference is going to be the river. And the river will help us to locate objects easily. On this part of the grid, we will find two cardinal directions. We have north to what is up to the river, and we have south to what is maybe under the river. We can determine that the red tractor is located on point 20 north. And yes, that is correct. Now we are given numbers, and that is very exact to give directions. We know now that the tractor is 20 north of the river. Let's look to this other picture. The same plan, the same red tractor, we have the river, but now we are going to use another line of reference, that is this one, this blue line. And we have two new cardinal directions. We already had north and south. Now we are going to add west and east. Now we separated our plan into the four cardinal direction: north, south, east, and west. And now I can tell you the exact location of the red tractor. Look, now we can say that the red tractor is 20 north and 30 east. That is very precise. So let's practice a little bit. I know that you are going to do very good on this one. Let's look at the grid and complete the chart. Now you will tell me this is not a plan. No, it's not a plan. We are just practicing. It's going to be easier. Now look at the grid and complete the chart. This blue circle, this little blue circle, is going to be our point of reference. So now you have to tell me, this pink circle, is it north or south? Yes, it is north, but to which number? It is 20 north. Now let's go back to the circle, to the blue circle. Is it in the west side or in the east side? Okay, it's in the west side. But which number? 30. So now you know that the pink circle is located 20 north and 30 west. Let's do the star. Again, remember, this blue circle is going to be your point of reference. So is it north or south? Yes, it's south. Which number? 20. So we have some information now. The star is 20 south. Now is it west or east? Very good. Is 30 west. Now let's check that the star is 20 south and 30 west. Excellent. Now let's do pink square. Again, remember, this blue circle will be your point of reference. So tell me, where is the square? Very good. The square is 20 south and 10 east. And let's do the last one. This triangle, where is it? Excellent. So the triangle is 10 north and 30 east. Very good job. So let's review. What is a grid? Remember, what is a grid? A grid is a set of lines that divides a plan. Something to help you remember? It has little squares. Why? Because of all the lines you draw on the plan. And in that way, it will be easier for you to understand it. Excellent. So now this other question. What is the purpose of grids? Or why? Why do we use grids? Think for a minute. And let's go. Grids help us locate objects on a plan easily. That is why we use grids. It helps us to locate different objects easily or maybe faster on a plan. Great job. You did amazing. And now I'm going to tell you about the exit ticket that you have to turn in. This is the exit ticket for today's lesson. You will find it in Classroom. So here are the instructions. You have to click and drag the following objects on the grid. Consider the legend and the compass rose. So here you have the information to where you want to locate the objects. And here we have the legend, our point of reference. You know that the blue line is going to be the river and that the orange is going to be our highway. So let's look at the first one. We're going to do this one together. So we know that the car is located 10 north of the river and 20 west of the highway. So you are going to go to the next slide. You are going to place the car according to the direction that you have over here. Okay, so you know that the car is 10 north of the river. You have the river, the highway. The car is going north. Okay. But then we have that is 20 west of the highway. So you have to go to the west to number 20. So now you know that the car is 10 north and 20 west. Of course, I changed the numbers. In your exit ticket, you will find other type of information, not the same as here. In Classroom, you will find the exit ticket and a worksheet for you to practice the use of grids. You can print it and paste it in your copybook. That would be excellent. If not, just complete it online and upload it to this assignment. So this is what the worksheet is about. In this worksheet, you have to look at the grid and complete the chart. Here you have different elements on the grid. Here you have all the different objects, and I'm asking you, where are located these objects? Let's look at the example. The ball, where is the ball? Look at the ball. The ball is located 30 north and 40 east. Then you have to find the location of these different objects: the bow, the fish, the trumpet, and the mango. Remember, this task or this worksheet is optional, but it will be good for you to practice. So if you have any question, please send me an email or write me a comment. Have a nice day. Bye.